guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever since you guys have seen me, but long story short, got my camera stolen, finally got a new camera, so I'm back in business, baby. I'm not gonna give you guys a long story. I'd rather just come in, be consistent, and y'all will feel the vibes. So I got these braids. I've had these in for about almost a month, and I have been obsessed with these braids. I specifically chose body wave pieces. I didn't want to go for the super curly look. I got my body wave pieces from Eon Hair. So if you're still watching and you're not subscribed to my channel, I don't really know what you're doing. It costs $0. Click that subscribe button right now and let me know down below what you guys want to see from me. I plan on doing a whole bunch more business vlogs and showing you guys how I built my jewelry brand, so stay tuned for that. Definitely do more vlogs. If you know me, you know I'm a vlogger, and I know y'all want the makeup. I know y'all want to see more makeup routines and in-depth tutorials like I used to do, so definitely gonna do that too. See you guys later.
Got a bag full of feelings and a heart full of regrets. This package is fit to no plane, don't mean to digress. I wanna know, what's the reason why you move this slow? As you move, not they cross my lane. Shorty nonsense, my best mommy. My best mommy. If you get the problem, my best mommy. My best mommy, I fight my own demons, don't you see? Don't you see if you get the problem? My best mommy, no. Oh yeah, mami, yo, mami, go. And I know for life for you, mami, yo, go loco, mami, yo. I mean, not the love, but I try me, yo. Say my kind life, no they funny, yo. Many things I sing, feed up, mami, yo. Big money, man, nothing tiny, yo. I mean, not the take, oh yeah, mami, yo, mami, go. And I know for life for you, mami, yo, go loco, mami, yo. I mean, not the love, but I try me, yo. Say my kind life, no they funny, yo. Many things I sing, feed up, mami, yo. Big money, man, nothing tiny, yo. My best mommy, my best mommy. If you get the problem, my best mommy. My best mommy, I fight my own demons, don't you see? Don't you see if you get the problem? My best mommy, no.
Body wave hair, perfect touch.
I need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and out, unfailingly. And I'll be down now. Anytime you call me, I'll be down. I'll be down. Because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly in the sky at night. Hold me in your arms, in your love, in your light. I'm on your wave right now. I'm on your wave right now. Yeah. I'm on your vibe now. You got me on your side now. Yeah, I'm on your wave right now. Yeah. If not you, then I don't wanna know. I don't want no story. Day and night is unconditional.
Hashtag nervous. Are you nervous? Ready? Let's go. How does that feel? Not bad. Not too bad. Yeah, it's like I feel pain, but it's doable. so much shine.
Very small little downtime, so you're not gonna really peel or anything.
Okay.
But you're gonna see your skin get more shinier over like a couple of days. You'll see like your fine lines smoothing out, your dark spots lighten up. You know, you just see more collagen and plump coming to your face. The treatment that we do, it'll be more and more corrective.
This is what the skin is looking like exactly after. It was painful. I think I did take the painful because she was like that most people don't allow her to go as deep as I did because they're like, it's too painful, you have to stop. But yeah.
The next day.
Hi you guys, it is 4:18 p.m. right now, so we're about a little over 24 hours since the microneedling. This is what my face is looking like right now. Let me get my ring light so you guys can see probably a little better, but my face is pretty dry. I'm not feeling any like pain. When I move my face, I just feel this like, you know, more so a slight irritation type of sensation, but yeah, it's really dry. So for the first 48 hours, I'm not gonna put anything on my face. So tomorrow morning when I wake up, I'll be able to wash my face and stuff like that with like a gentle cleanser. But this is the update for now. My neck looks a little greasy. I actually put some Vaseline on my neck, but I'm about to go get a Brazilian wax and wax my under armpits.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, oh, no. So many reasons where I want it for you, my love. Now you want to retire with my love. Oh. See all the little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come.
Hey guys, so this is, I think it's day 2 of my healing. This is what my skin's looking like. It is peeling a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see on camera, and it is still red. Good morning guys. Today is actually drop day for my jewelry brand. I'm dropping my first collection that's a unisex. I'm releasing some bracelets that I really initially was supposed to be releasing for just guys, but at the pop-up shop, I realized a lot of girls actually like it too. Like, not to be dramatic, but I just absolutely hate how my face looks with my eyebrows aren't done, because I hate the way my eyebrows grow. The usual place that I go to do my eyebrows is kind of out the way for today, but I'm gonna go to this other place that's a little close by. Done with my brows, I just feel so much better. Hi you guys. Face beat. Today was drop day. Super fun day. Really happy. I've been ecstatic all day. My friend is having a game night, so I'm gonna be posting a makeup video soon. I got y'all. Just wait on it.
Hey guys, hey vlog, how you doing?
What? Give them a nice proper hey.
What's good? This is a proper hey. I'm not sure what the difference is between like a normal hey and a proper hey, but hey. Oh, we're live?
No, we're not.
My bad.
How do I
I'm gonna get canceled.
You're insane.
Yo, vlog, real quick. Move. Yo, vlog, real fast. This thing's a little crooked though. All right, vlog, listen. This is words of motivation.
Oh.
So it's 2025, right?
Yeah.
We're going into 2026, and if there's something that you want to do that you ain't done yet, what you doing? I'll say one more thing. Look, you don't want to be driving no McLaren with bad knees.
There's cheese in there?
Is it recording?
Yeah.
I don't agree with that.
I kind of agree, but I don't at the same
No,
time.
I agree with you. You can look like a completely different person, though. That's
Of course, I'm not saying a completely different person. Like, you was 10 with makeup, and now you took the makeup off, you a 4. I'm not saying that. I'm saying, like, you was 10 with makeup, you took the makeup.
I'm back in good on.
Nobody's always trying to set me up.
No, we're not. I'm asking the same thing.
Don't.
Oh, you looked this shit up?
Hell yeah, look it up.
Ouch. Oh, I'll tell it to you, bro. What if I get a compliment?
Merry Christmas.